What is going on, YouTube? My name is Lucas, and today we're going to be talking about, holy smokes guys, found an absolute monster in the drone sector. The company is actually Bantec, and they have 3 subsidiaries that is housed within Bantec. And I am beyond excited to provide this one to you guys because, wow, is all I can say. So if you're interested in drones and you're interested in a lot of other things, I suggest you stay tuned right after this. I truly do suggest you stay tuned right after this. So before we dive into Bantec and find out about these 3 subsidiaries, I ask that you guys smash that subscribe button, smash that like button, comment down below, and now it's time to get into the video. Let's go! Ladies and gentlemen, I am always trying to find a good drone stock. I truly am. I think that this sector is absolutely going to do amazing things for every person possible. I talk about it all the time, and I truly am trying to find the next one that is going to be doing some very impactful things and really kind of taking strides in the right direction. And I think I might have found that one. Obviously, this is going to be a subsidiary to a company, and they have other things that they're involved with, but it is a very impactful one. They are very involved in the drone sector, and the subsidiary is actually called Drone USA, and that is housed under Bantec. I'm beyond excited, like I said, to provide this one to you guys because I really am thinking that this one is going to be taking some massive strides in the right direction. They are in every sector I've talked about in a ton of videos. We're going to go over that, but the list is endless on what they are trying to be engaged in and involved in when it comes to the drone sector. So I'm not going to keep you waiting anymore. We're going to dive into this thing. So Bantec Inc. has a subsidiary called Drone USA, which provides products and services. They engage in the distribution and integration of advanced low-altitude unmanned aerial vehicle systems, services, and products worldwide. Again, worldwide. It provides products, procurement, distribution, and logistics services. The company also offers drones, drone accessories, training, and services, and I think that's a significant piece. Because yes, they do provide the actual drones. They actually offer the drone accessories, but then they provide training and they offer services. Again, something we're going to talk about. And then as we continue on, it says that counter drone technology, which I thought was phenomenal, and it says certificates of authorization and waivers as well as drone pilot services. In addition, it sells disinfecting products. You guys are going to get like this. Disinfecting products and equipment through its Bantec store website to facilitate owners in hospitals, universities, manufacturers, and building owners, supplies, spare, and replacement parts to federal government agencies, the U.S. military prime contractors, and commercial customers, and sells drones to law enforcement, fire departments, security companies, U.S. government, and I'm going to hit that again, U.S. government. Bantec Inc. was incorporated in 1972 and is headquartered in Little Falls, New Jersey. Guys, I could not be more excited to provide this to you. I truly am beyond excited because that is a lot that they are involved with. And they really have had a major impact on fighting the pandemic. This company is going to be doing some amazing things. It is going to be doing them for a period of time now. They are very early on, obviously, when it comes to the drone sector. And the reason I say that is just because the drone sector as a whole really hasn't been really incorporated into a whole lot yet because of the FAA. And we're aware of that because I've covered this numerous times in every single one of the videos. I'm beyond excited, guys. This one is going to be special. So I really wanted to dive into each one of these segments because I think it's very significant to understand how well diverse this company is when it comes to drones. And, obviously you have the likes of Alpine 4 Technologies, you have the likes of Ag Eagle, you have the likes of Dragonfly, and you have the likes of Drone Delivery Canada, and you have all these different other companies that are really, integrated into the drone sector, and they have their hand in some aspects. This one really stood out to me because of them being involved with 8 different categories, and then they added an additional piece which we're really going to break down and dive into and I'm going to keep that one towards the end. So the first one right out the gate is police. And, obviously security, surveillance, working in a tactical environment, sitting in the drone versus maybe sitting in an officer or a SWAT team member. So these are some things to really think about as they start implementing, a police drone. Maybe they're doing it for traffic control. Maybe they're doing it to obviously, issue tickets. There's a lot of things that a police drone can do. Now you're talking number 2 is firefighter. I think this is another significant piece. You're sitting in a drone versus a human being to really test out, see what's going on with a fire. And a lot of things that, attachments that could be added to a drone to really fight off fires. Then you start talking about forest fires and implementing all kinds of things that are going to really help, firefighters fend off these fires. It's amazing to see. Search and rescue, very similar. You're sending them out, whether it's based on water or maybe it's into a wooded area and it's covering more ground than maybe a line of people can cover. That's why I think these are significant and why they're going to provide such a massive service. Again, private security drones, very similar to the police aspect. It's going to, put less liability and less responsibility onto a security officer, and it's going to be more implemented, and a drone is going to have a lot more coverage when it comes to covering ground, seeing what it's supposed to see. I think these are significant. Agriculture drones, we've covered this multiple times with the likes of a Dragonfly, definitely very heavily with Ag Eagle. I mean, agriculture drones are going to provide such a massive need, such a service to the farmers of America and obviously worldwide. I mean, this is absolutely a massive piece. And I think each one of these companies can provide a different avenue or a different perspective when it comes to agriculture. And that's what's really unique about this entire situation. Number 6, inspection and mapping drones. I think that's a major piece of moving forward. Obviously we had to get Google Maps somehow. We had to get some other things, and that is probably on from drones and other things, as we're doing that. So I think that's a major piece. One of the biggest things that they hit on right there is inspection. We're hearing that a lot. Drones are doing inspections of power lines, windmills, all kinds of different things. Things that are putting less risk, more safety. As you guys know, I like to use the word safety when I'm talking about drones. It's putting more safety on the human being, and it's putting less risk on the human being. It's putting more on the drone, and obviously drones are more capable of doing some things. The pilot is the one that's conducting it, and it's making it a lot safer environment. And then it's talking about industrial drones. I think that's significant too. And then the final piece, which I think is a massive, massive piece, and that is going to be government drones and everything that is entailing with government. So very, 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 very cool. Very amazing to see what this company is doing. And the biggest thing that they do is counter drones. And they're very involved in counter drones. And we're going to hit on that right now. I think this is a major piece because obviously we've covered so many drone companies that really are involved with making the drone a success. They're really looking forward to making everything as smooth as possible. You're looking for advancements in drones, and they're continuously trying to evolve. This is a very significant piece in the evolution of drones because obviously you're going to have where criminal activity is going to be done with drones. People are going to try to do things to drones that probably aren't the best. And so you got to find a way to really fight against that. And in this case, counter drone technology. Emerging technology isn't reserved for law enforcement, which is why government agencies and private security firms should invest in anti-drone technology. Criminals are already leveraging drone technology, and experts expect the use of drones for criminal activities to increase in coming years. And I agree. Like I said, drones are going to be more prevalent, and they're going to be doing a lot of services that we expect them to do. Package delivery, pharmaceutical delivery, medicine delivery, food delivery. We've already talked about everything that this company alone is going to be providing as a service. So all that is going to have somewhat of a chance for these criminals or these people that are trying to hack or really get these drones. It's going to be a way for them to do it. So we're trying to counteract that. And it makes sense. So it says law enforcement agencies that invest in anti-drone technology and anti-drone systems will be better protected against both domestic and foreign criminal threats with the use of counter-drone technology. And then it says some of our most popular anti-drone technology products include anti-drone guns. Holy smokes, as you can see right here, that thing looks sweet. And then drone signal jamming, which I think is also very significant, and drone detection products. projects, these are significant pieces to a company. I mean, these are very, very important. And so this just adds another major piece to when drones become prevalent. You're going to have to use a system like this to fight off all the bad. I like it. Another significant piece that this company, Drone USA, which is a subsidiary to the likes of Bantec, provides is going to be training. And I think that is absolutely phenomenal. Again, another major piece when it comes to drone. You're providing safety, you're providing the ability to learn, to really understand what you're going to be piloting, and I think that's significant. So it says they offer training. As with the most emerging technologies, training is an imperative to ensure safe and effective operation. Drone training is no different, and as all U.S. drone operators must pass the FAA Part 107 test, which I've talked about numerous times. Why not choose Drone USA for all your drone training needs? Our drone pilot ground school is among the best in the US, and we work with all the models we sell. If you are or your business is in need of drone training services, Drone USA is ready to provide individual, group, and enterprise level drone training programs. So for a company who is really looking to get involved with that and really look for a need, it's right here. I mean, Drone USA provides that. And then the next thing they do is they offer the pilot's services. So do you have a project that needs a drone but don't have a time to learn how to pilot one or your own? Hire a drone pilot through Drone USA today so that you don't have to. When you hire a drone pilot from our Drone Pilot Network, you can rest assured that you will be matched with a complete and competent professional who always prioritizes safety. Again, guys, right there, and I can't emphasize this enough every single time I do a drone video. We will come across the word safety. It will be emphasized. I'm sure that this is in bold because it is a bold statement. They're trying to conduct and prevail the most safe aspect that they possibly can. Additionally, when you hire a drone pilot through Drone USA, you will know you'll be working with a drone pilot that has trained for work in any major industry. This company made a major move with their drones, and it's just the first step in the right direction to really making this company, this subsidiary, Drone USA, that much more relevant, that much more exciting. And let's just dive into it. So basically it says Bantec Inc., a product and services company, announced that its subsidiary Drone USA received purchase orders to supply Atlantic City's Fire and Emergency Management Department with drones. Amazing. Michael Bannon, who is the CEO of Bantec, chairman and CEO, stated, "We are excited to supply Atlantic City's Fire and Emergency Management Department with the right drone equipment. Drones provide a great and effective tool that ultimately help first responders perform their jobs more efficiently. One drone equipped with payload and night vision capabilities will be used to drop automatic flotation devices to swimmers in distress." This was quoted by Elon Musk. The fighter jet era, as he said, has passed. There is great wisdom in the statement. Drones and robots in many ways will change the way we accomplish our daily tasks. Oh, did I forget to mention? This company is also involved in robotics. So before I dive into the chart and really talk about what this company is looking forward to as far as a stock price, I want to give you the final two pieces, and that is the final two subsidiaries. So the first one is Halco Distributing. Halco Distributing, the company, was established in 1990 with the mission of being a leading and respected provider of construction, transportation, mining, and heavy equipment, spare and replacement parts to customers worldwide. Halco's services encompass bids, solicitation, contract management, packaging, and logistics for construction, transportation, mining, and heavy equipment, spare and replacement parts to customers worldwide, utilizing a wide variety of supply chain solutions. So very, very significant, a major piece when it comes to the construction aspect. Then obviously we have Drone USA, which we talked about, and the final one is Bantec Construction. So in the construction field that they can use Halco for. And says Bantec Construction provides a variety of construction services, construction management, full-time or part-time engineers, drywall installation, flooring, carpentry. I mean, the list goes on and on. So as you guys can see, they're in a wide variety of subsidiaries, and that all is housed within Bantec. So this does sound kind of similar to the likes of an Alpine 4 Technologies. except they don't have as many. And as you guys can see, they're, really well diverse. I would say very similar to Alpine, just not as big. And now we've come to my favorite part of any video, and that is chart breaking down time. So let's swing on over here and check out Bantec Inc. Ticker symbol BANT. Again, BANT. So today it opened at 2 cents. It got as high as 3 cents. Its low was 2 cents. Volume was 167.5 million. Market cap is 33.64 million. 52-week high is 18 cents. 52-week low is less than a penny. And you're looking at an average volume of 88.01 million. So today it did close at 3 cents. It was up 68.18%. Massive run. Just truly a massive run. And the reason I believe that is occurring is just because a lot more people are becoming aware. The stock is starting to get not necessarily pumped, but I think a lot more attention is becoming prevalent with it. I think a lot more people are talking about it. As you can see, they're in 3 different subsidiaries, and they are very heavily involved with the pandemic. They really are doing an array of different things when it comes to the pandemic. They're providing sanitizer stations, types of things. They're doing all kinds of things. Another thing I saw was that they were involved with ventilators. I mean, this company was doing a lot to fight the pandemic. So they're very involved, and I like that aspect, because then you can talk about Drone USA, you can talk about Halco, you can talk about Bantec Construction. I mean, there's just a lot that this company can provide as we continue to grow and expand and really see this company evolve. So beyond excited, really was looking forward to showing you this. I am looking to make a position, create a position in this. I was waiting for, obviously, it to kind of have a pullback. Amazing run today of 68.18%. I'm not going to climb in at the top or the peak of that, because I do believe there will be somewhat of a pullback, and then I will take advantage of that. So just wanted to kind of give you guys that information. I appreciate you guys swinging by and checking out this video on Bantec, which really focused in on its subsidiary, Drone USA. I'm beyond excited about this, guys. I think the opportunity for this company in the drone sector is going to be very significant. And the reason I say that is just because we're so very early on in the drone sector as is, that a company like this could really capitalize and get a major contract, really get a major partnership, do some amazing things with the government. I mean, the list of possibilities is truly endless. So that's why I'm really excited about this company, because they are so well diverse in so many sectors of the drone. I mean, it's going to be amazing. I do want to remind you guys, I am not a financial advisor, and anything I say in this video is for pure entertainment purposes only, and that's exactly what I'm here to do, is entertain, and you guys know how I do it. If you like this video, smash that like button. It helps out tremendously. And if you enjoyed the content, because I'm going to keep the content flowing, subscribe to my YouTube channel. And as always, have a good day.